In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. If you're updating a site and want to reuse the layout or content from an existing page, duplicating a page can save a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can make a copy and then edit that version however you like. It's a simple feature, and once you know where to find it, the process only takes a few seconds. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're in the editing view of the site where the page already exists. This is important because duplicating a page is done from inside the site editor, not from the published version that visitors see. Once you're inside your site, look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In that panel, click on Pages. This section shows the structure of your site, including all the pages you've created. If you've been working in another tab like Insert or Themes, switching to Pages will let you manage the site navigation and page options. Next, find the page you want to duplicate. Move your mouse over that page name in the list. Hovering over the page reveals additional controls that aren't always visible right away. So if you don't see the option immediately, just place your cursor directly over the page title and pause for a moment. After that, click the three dots next to the page. This opens the Pages Options menu. The three-dot menu is where Google Sites keeps actions related to managing that specific page. So it's the place to go whenever you want to make changes like renaming, hiding, or in this case, creating a copy. From the menu, click Duplicate Page. Google Sites will then create a copy of that page for you. This duplicated version is useful if you want to preserve the original while making edits to a new version, or if you want to use the same design and simply swap out text, images, or other content. After the page is duplicated, take a moment to review the copied page so you can confirm everything came over the way you expected. It's also a good idea to rename the duplicate clearly so you don't confuse it with the original later, especially if your site has multiple similar pages. And that's it. That's how to duplicate a page in Google Sites quickly and efficiently. Once you get used to this workflow, it becomes a very convenient way to build new pages faster while keeping your site consistent.